Farmers' protest has reached film sets. A group of farmers reached the sets of Janhvi Kapoor starrer Good Luck Jerry in Punjab and urged the actress to make a comment on the ongoing protest in their favor. The shoot for Anand L. Rai's production was halted for a few hours. After negotiations, the shoot for Siddharth Sen Gupta's directorial resumed. Speaking of farmers, South star Jairam Ravi's upcoming film is quite relevant to the ongoing farmers issue. Lakshman's directorial titled Bhumi features Jairam as Bhuminathan, a scientist in NASA working on a mission to develop agriculture on Mars. But when Bhuminathan visits his hometown, he realizes first he needs to solve the problems of farmers of his own country before finding ways to cultivate in Mars. Thalapathy Vijay and Vijay Sethupathi starrer Master is working its magic at the box office both in India and overseas despite having limited seating and screens. The film is said to have done very well in Australia and New Zealand. According to reports, the film has earned over 40 crore rupees on its first day in India. Ever since Rakhi Sawant entered the Bigg Boss house, she has been in the news for her drama, comedy, fights and performance in the house. From speaking of her mystery husband Ritesh to being possessed to now hitting on actress Rubina Dilik's husband Abhinav Shukla, Rakhi has been constantly entertaining people both inside and outside the Bigg Boss house. Now the actress is in the news for having fighting over captaincy and for cursing Ali Goni to be separated from his lady love Jasmine Bhasin. Yet again, speculations of actor Varun Dhawan tying the knot with his lady love Natasha Dalal is doing rounds. Earlier, the rumors suggested that the couple might tie the knot sometime this year, but now reports suggest that they might tie the knot by this month itself in Alibag. However, the couple hasn't confirmed any date or place. Just a few weeks ago, the actor had clarified saying they wouldn't get married anytime soon as they have lost a family member to coronavirus. Sonu Sood, who courted controversy for alleged illegal conversion of a residential building into a hotel, has now been called a habitual offender by the Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. The BMC, in its latest statement to the Bombay High Court, claimed that the actor has no license to run a hotel and that he had faced demolition earlier too. The BMC requested the High Court to quash his petition seeking to restrain the civic body from carrying out demolition at his property in Juhu. Bollywood megastar has wrapped up shooting for the 12th season of Sony's infotainment show Kaun Banega Crorepati. The 78-year-old actor began filming the show keeping in line with the government-mandated safety guidelines and protocols amid the coronavirus pandemic on August 23, 2020. Recently, comedian Daniel Fernandez in his latest stand-up comedy video was seen joking about Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput's death, followed by media attention, and he also included the actor's girlfriend Rhea Chakraborty. However, this didn't go down well with the actor's fans and well-wishers. On their demand, Daniel had to issue an open apology for offending people's sentiments. British actor Riz Ahmed, who recently bagged the Best Actor award for his performance in the film Nomadland, quoted Bollywood star Irfan Khan in his acceptance speech. The actor at the end of his speech said, "I also want to mention Irfan Khan, another tremendous actor who we lost this year. His words ring in my ears in these uncertain times. His words were, 'Surrender to the dance of uncertainty. It feels like a wobbly time. If we can wobble together, we may find each other dancing.'"